Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today we're going to be talking about all of my favorite products from the month of September, which ironically is also the month that I was missing off of YouTube. So while I was gone, I was also using up some products, being busy with school, all that good stuff. You guys know how it goes, and I just want to share with you guys the products that I really enjoyed the most this month, and one particular product that I'm a little bit on the fence about. So you know, I don't want to keep blabbing on too much, so let's just jump right into the video. But before all of that happens, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So yeah, let's just jump right into this. The first product for this month that I have been obsessed with, like when I tell you obsessed with, I mean obsessed with, is going to be this eyebrow pencil from Colourpop. This is just their basic brow pencil. This is like the first one they ever came out with. I use it in the shade black and brown, and I recently ordered some stuff from Colourpop back in August, and I ordered like 4 of these just because like I go to the gym and I shower there, and I didn't want to like bring my dip brow pomade with the brush, with the this, with the that, and I just felt like this was going to be a lot easier, and it's like the most affordable eyebrow pencil I could think of buying at the time. So I bought it, and this is a product I've used before, but for some reason this month it has just been blowing me away. Absolutely love it. Look at my brows. Tell me these brows aren't just picture perfect. If you say they're not, you're lying. I already know that. But I absolutely just love this product. It's so good. It just glides on your eyebrows. It's not ripping the hairs out. It does what you want it to do, and the end. No extra stuff with it. Love it. Obsessed with it. The next thing that I've been totally obsessed with this month has been my KKW Beauty contour and highlighting kit. I absolutely love this thing. Look at how big it is. She's a big girl, and I love it. Mine is so dirty as well. You can't see because of my lights, but mine is dirty. It's a dirty big. I love this shade in particular for contouring, and for everyday use I do use the highlighters in here because they're not overwhelmingly blinding, and they're super appropriate to like go to school with or go to work. So I absolutely love it, and this contour shade is like the perfect shade for me. It's unreal, and this one would definitely work for someone deeper than me. It's actually too dark for me, so that's always a plus for me. If something's too dark for me, I'm like, yes, the company's doing their job and thinking of other people. Love this. Oh, did I mention it has a huge mirror? Love it. It's amazing. Next product that we're going to be talking about is this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I picked this up in the shade Chestnut, and I absolutely love this concealer. I loved the original one that they came out with, and I like that one because it was so lightweight but gave me the coverage that I wanted. However, I was kind of scared that this was going to be too thick or whatever, what have you. But I love this. It's super good under my eyes. It does not like cake up and dry up, for me at least, underneath my eyes. I don't use a lot of this because this is so full coverage. I just do like 1, 2, 3 dot done. It's a beautiful concealer, and also love this packaging. Like, I don't know, it's just giving me a lot of really good vibes. Love this. Next thing that we're going to talk about is going to be this concealer. Wow. It's going to be this mascara, and this mascara is from Marc. This is going to be their Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I got this in some kind of box months ago, probably never used it, and I was in a rush one day this past month and I needed a mascara. I couldn't find my usual one, and I stumbled upon this, and I haven't looked back ever since. I love this mascara. The wand is absolutely perfect for my lashes. It just does things for me, and it's a beautiful mascara. Like, if you don't own this, what are you doing? I know Marc Jacobs is a little bit pricey, so when this is done, I'm definitely gonna cry, but I definitely think I will make the investment and buy the full-sized mascara because I love this so much. The next product that I want to talk about is gonna be this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Lock Concealer. Wow, why do I keep saying concealer? What is wrong with me? This is their mattifying primer. I'm so sorry, guys. I love this. I have had to retire my Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer that I absolutely love so much. It is so near and dear to my heart. Just because it's so expensive, my big bottle finished, and I really just can't afford another big bottle right now because it's like $54. So I did get a little bottle, but that's for special days. So I found this a while ago, and I have been using it on and off, but I have definitely been putting this to work this past month because it's so good. I absolutely love it. It does keep me matte. It's still the white shade that the Hourglass one is, but it doesn't really leave too much of like a tint on your face like the other one does. You know how it makes you look gray and stuff? This one doesn't really do that, and I also like that this one's a little bit thicker, so it kind of makes me feel like there's some kind of like silicone in there as well. And what can I say? I do love a silicone primer, and this is obviously a drugstore primer and is super affordable, so it's a win all around. Next, we're gonna jump into two skincare products that I've been really obsessed with. The first one is gonna be this Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist, and this is the one with rose water. Y'all can tell I have this much left. Don't know if you can tell that. That's how much I have left. I love this. I've been using this like every single day, day and night. I use this before I put on anything else. I use this after I finish, you know, with everything, my lotion and toner and all of that stuff. I just love this. It refreshes my face, refreshes your makeup. It just does everything. It could honestly be like a makeup primer. This is the best thing in a bottle since like forever. So love this. The next item that I want to talk about is from The Body Shop, and this is their Vitamin E Hydrating Toner. I recently got this about 2 weeks ago, so about halfway through September, and I don't know if you guys know this, but I just moved to Salt Lake City, and it is very dry here. Like the air is super dry. It's very hard for me as a Floridian to deal with like dry weather because I'm so used to humidity and whatnot. So my skin, especially my face, has been acting up. Like my face is super oily, but yet just dry as could be. And this has honestly changed my skincare game. I love it. It just feels so nourishing and refreshing to my face. It plumps my skin, makes it look so nice and hydrated before I go in with all my other products. It's like amazing. Absolutely love this, and it's like the best thing ever. Love it. So now, the product that I am on the edge for this month is going to be the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation, and this is the one that they launched in collaboration with Alyssa Ashley, who is legitimately like one of my most favorite YouTubers ever. So obviously I went out and got this, but there are 45 shades for this foundation, and this is like my third shade that I am trying, and none of them have worked for me. This is in the shade Deep Sable. I also tried the shade, I think that's after this, which is called Mocha. I could be wrong because like that was a while ago as well when it first came out, and that didn't work for me. And then the one before this is just too light for me. So I'm just having a real issue finding a perfect shade for me. I think I definitely would have to mix these two together, like the one after this with the Deep Sable, to get the shade that I want. The only reason I didn't return Deep Sable is because Deep Sable is so cool tone, or it's like neutral, that I felt I should keep it because I don't really have a foundation that is this neutral. I tend to have foundations that definitely run a little red, and I've noticed that when I mix this with those foundations, I get the shade that I'm looking for, which is why I kept this. I love the actual product. The formula is good. Definitely doesn't get me oily for a while, so I will give it that much. However, the shades just killed me. That's really the only like issue I have with this particular product. So in conclusion, guys, that's the end of this video. Those are all the products that I was absolutely obsessed with in the month of October. October. If you have any products that you were obsessed with, please let me know down below in the comments per usual. I love it when you guys comment. I comment back, I always do. So be sure to participate, join in the fun, if you know what I mean. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Be sure to check out any other videos that I do have. They're gonna come up after this, and you know, just enjoy your day. Thank you so much for watching.